we are again today. Please listen attentively. So today, it is like double bullet. Early morning breakfast, dinner, or vegetables that can increase your magnesium. One of them is beetroot. Another one, so let me start making the salads immediately. Yeah, I always like to use lettuce as my base. This is purple lettuce. This is lettuce. They are all called lettuce, but it depends on the one you like using. Okay, I don't like cutting this one. You can even use your hand. Make sure you check, because at times it collects sand in between. So you wash your lettuce properly under running water. Okay, so when you do like this, have you seen the base? This is it. Then I will now get this green one. Yeah, this one comes like this. It comes like this. So if you like, you can double fold it and you chop this one. If you see what I'm doing, you do it the way it will look nice. Remember the other one we didn't cut. We just pluck and laid foundation. So the next thing now I will love to put here is my broccoli. Broccoli, you can eat it just with cauliflower like this and your dinner is done without adding all this. It depends on how you want to feed. Okay, so you can just put, this is cauliflower I'm putting, then this is broccoli. The greenish one is called broccoli. Yeah, then you put some of your beetroot. Some people don't like adding beetroot because of the color. So have you seen it? So if you are putting it or using it in salads or in any of your fruit vegetable pack, you do it carefully so that the red color will not splash all over the plate. Yeah, have you seen it? Then I put my carrot. This carrot is not raw. I did what I call parboil. You will not allow it to get done at all. Yeah, you boil like maybe 2 minutes and that is it. Then this is my bell pepper, sweet bell pepper. Then this is the yellow one. This is the green pepper. Yeah. This kind of salad is supposed to always be in your fridge. So it's not supposed to be more than 2 days. If you didn't finish it, you pour away. But I know you will finish it. So you make as little as the family can finish per time. Okay? This is baby marrow. And this is what? This is cucumber. Yeah, this is our cucumber you see every day in the market. Okay? Then after making this, yeah, I want us to blend our salad dressing cream. Yes, our salad dressing cream. Now, I love avocado so much. I can't do any of my dressing cream without avocado. So I am putting avocado. Then you have to put your warm water by the side or natural water, okay? Now, remember, I'm going to make cream here. So I am adding also this avocado because I love avocado. I don't know about you. But if you don't love avocado, anything you don't love here, you can minus. You can make a minus. Okay? So you put your avocado and you put your water. Yes, if you want it light, you add more water. If you want it heavy cream, you just pour little water. Yeah. So now I will put what? My oil. This is olive oil, 100% extra virgin oil. You can make 2 or 3 spoons depending on the size of your salad. So that is it. If you like, you can add these bell peppers here to give it a wonderful taste. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that is it. We're going to blend this salad dressing. Some people do add eggs. I don't like putting eggs in my salad. I want it pure 100% natural. Yeah, before you add egg, make sure you are not having cholesterol. Okay, now when you've crushed these ones, you can put little quantity of onion. You can put little quantity of onion. It's not a must. If you don't want onion, you can leave onion. If you want to put, you can put. Then if you like honey, you can drop some spoons of honey to make it tasty, or you put salt. Some people will still put honey and they put salt. Okay? So it's always good to make these things at home than buying from the supermarket, because you have to know what you are eating. Okay. It's thick, so I have to do what? I have to add more water. So I close up again and I finally blend. So we're blending the salad dressing. Yeah, the salad dressing cream. I think it's okay, all good. The texture is okay. If you still want it light, you can still do what? Make it light. Have you seen it on our vegetable? Where you make something like this and you eat before going for work, or you eat at night as a dinner. Oh my God, you are increasing the what? The magnesium in the body. Yes, that vitamin, they told you that you are lacking it. So when you look at this now, to me, I can't tell you it has come out properly. So I have to redress it so that I get colors I still want up here. Have you seen what I'm doing now? Then this one, if you like, you can now change the shape, because this was the shape we put the other time, remember? Have you seen it now? I'm changing the shape of the beetroot. When we are starting, I dropped big pig. Are you seeing the color? It's coming up again. In case if you have a visitor also and you want to make such a salad, oh my God, when the person finish eating this, will be your constant visitor. Yeah, have you seen it? I brought back the colors. Then now remember, we've not put tomatoes, we've not put lettuce. So tomato, it makes sure your tomato is strong. Have you seen it? If you are a lover of tomato, if you love tomato, you put a lot. If you don't love tomato all that, you do what? You just put little. Have you seen it? You just put little, and that is it. You just put little. So after making like this, remember we didn't put lemon in our salad cream, which we're supposed to have put, but because you want it to stay like maybe from morning till evening or the next day, so you drop pure lemon. Yeah, that's what I'm putting now. This is lemon. Some drops, enough. Then you finally put parsley. Parsley is very good in dressing vegetables or dressing salad. Have you seen it? You drop as you want. You drop as you want. One many of the parsley. Parsley is very healthy also. I've ever thought about health benefits of these vegetables. They have what they do. So you have seen I have plucked some leaves and I have put. So now we come back to this salad. We come back to lettuce. Remember the other one was the published one. So that's enough. If you want to put more, based on the size you want to put. Remember the parsley we plucked and we dropped. So now I am going to cut some of this parsley in small shape so that it will give me another unique, shape in this salad. Have you seen? Now I've chopped the parsley small. Have you seen it? So that is all for today. Then if you like spring onions, this is spring onions, you don't cook it. I don't cook my spring onions. You sprinkle it also on your salads naturally like this. Oh my God, that is it. That is just it. After eating this, you will sleep peacefully like a baby. Okay? When the thing is really working in the body, not sparking your sugar in the body. Okay? So enjoy. If you are making along with me, I enjoy. Thank you for joining me once again. Please raise thumb up if you have loved what I've taught today, so that I'll keep bringing new things